food is just a lot more than just eating. It's about having fun, it's about laughing, it's about getting close to each other. And what better way to do it than in a backyard with a grill?
Ed and I met a few years ago. I went to one of the special events at his restaurant. Me and my wife love a good party, so as it turns out, everybody else was pretty much leaving, and he and I were sitting there having a drink. And he found out some things that I was doing. He said he wanted to do a community event, so we talked and put together an event. And he prepared a meal for all of the young people that were in the youth detention. He fixed all the food at 610. Interesting because of some of the rules that they have. He had to fix food that was kind of easy to cut and what have you. But one thing I love about Ed, he does not believe in dumbing down the food. It wasn't like, oh, these are kids, let's do, you know, spaghetti and meatballs. He did the same kind of food that he would do in his restaurant. As a result, he and I become pretty close. Over the last few years, I've been to his house, he's been to my house. When he called me, I'm like, man, great, you know, whatever you need, because if I call him, it's always whatever I need. Ooh, look like we get ready to have an interesting party. But, I mean, at this point, we all in, so we're just gonna have some fun regardless. Okay. Getting ready to brine and then end up cutting some tomahawk chops. I mean, you know, brining literally adds moisture